Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the M.2 SSD in your HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the upgrade. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power surges during the process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically situated near the center of the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, if you are replacing an existing SSD, gently unscrew the securing screw and slide the old SSD out of its slot. If you are installing a new SSD, align it with the slot and insert it at a slight angle. Once it is securely in place, press it down and replace the securing screw to hold it in position. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transport. Our professional diagnosis, without obligation, means you can get expert advice before making any decisions. After securing the SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the back panel, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. Once the back panel is secured, reconnect the battery and power up your laptop. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or ESC, depending on your model. Check the storage settings to confirm that your new SSD is listed. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward service to get your laptop back in top shape. Finally, once your laptop is up and running, consider installing any necessary drivers or software updates to ensure your new SSD operates smoothly. This upgrade can significantly enhance your laptop's performance, providing faster boot times and improved application loading speeds. Thank you for following this guide. Enjoy your upgraded HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.